Hello, we are Team Debugging Detectives, and our problem statement is to design a digital learning platform for rural school students in Nabha. Under the theme Education and Skill Development, our vision is to bridge the digital divide between urban and rural schools by creating an inclusive, affordable, and sustainable platform that empowers students and teachers in rural areas. Through this presentation, we will share the challenges we identified, the solution we are proposing, our technical approach, and the impact this idea can create. In rural schools, education faces several barriers that create a clear digital divide. Most villages either have very poor or no internet connectivity, which make it difficult for students to access online learning resources, even when smartphones or computers are available. The majority of the content is in English, which rural school students find difficult to understand as they are more comfortable in Hindi or Punjabi. Another big challenge is that many teachers are not trained or confident in using digital tools. So even if infrastructure exists, it is not being used effectively. Altogether, these issues mean that students in rural areas are not able to benefit from digital education in the same way as the urban students. And this gap continues to widen over time. To solve these challenges, we are proposing a hybrid digital learning platform that works both online and offline so that the students are not dependent on constant internet connectivity. The platform will provide content in multiple languages, Hindi, Punjabi, and the local language, so that every child can learn in language they are most comfortable with. To make learning more engaging, we are adding interactive features such as quizzes, games, and live of recorded class, which will help students stay motivated and interested. Another important part of our solution is that the teacher training module, which will upskill the teacher and help them confidently use digital tools in the classroom. Beyond just an app, we are also considering solar-powered devices and community involvement to make this solution sustainable and truly suited for the rural.
Our technical approach is to keep the system lightweight, scalable, and suitable for rural environments. We are developing a custom web and mobile application that can run smoothly even on low-cost devices. Content will be stored on cloud for central management, but students can also access it offline through SD cards or local sync when the internet is not available. To make learning more personalized, we are adding AI-based recommendation engines that suggest lessons based on student progress. Since bandwidth is often a limitation in villages, we also use video compression to allow classes and recorded sessions to run even on slow connections. In terms of methodology, our plan is to first build the app and offline module, then train the teachers and set up classrooms. We'll build a pilot program in selected schools of Nabha, and once the model is proved successful, we'll scale it around the region. A solution is not just innovative, but also practical and scalable. From a feasibility perspective, the platform can run on affordable devices and does not require high-end infrastructure, which makes it suitable for rural schools. The digital architecture is scalable, so new content and features can be added easily as adoption grows. For funding and partnerships, we are planning to collaborate with telecom providers, CSR initiatives, and government schemes, which will help us reduce the financial burdens on schools and families. We are aware of the main challenges, such as poor connectivity, resistance from teachers to adopt to new methods, and cost barriers. To overcome these, our system is offline first. The teachers will be supported with capacity building workshops, and affordability will be addressed to government funding support. This balances the practicality, funding strategy, and risk mitigation that make the solution both feasible in short term and sustainable in long run. A platform creates a strong impact, both inside and outside the classroom. For students, it will make learning more engaging and interactive, which improves their interest, retention, and academic performance. Since they'll be using digital tools from early age, they'll also gain digital literacy and skills preparing them for future careers. Teachers will also feel more confident in adopting technologies because the training modules, which improves the overall quality of teaching. The benefits extend beyond the academic socially. It also helps reduce the education gap between rural and urban students. Economically, it will prepare rural youth with employability skills that increase their chances of a better job. And environmentally, the use of solar-powered devices will reduce energy dependence and promote sustainability. Altogether, the solution just benefits the individual students. That's not true. It uplifts the entire rural education system. Our idea is backed by research and inspired by the models that have already existed in the world of India. For example, the Diksha app by the Government of India that shows multilingual e-learning is widely accepted and effective. The Punjab government smart classrooms have already improved the students' participation and outcomes, proving that digital tools can work in rural schools. NGOs like Byju's and Pratham have also successfully completed the Rural Education Initiative, which shows that partnerships can grow these solutions sustainably. Reports from UNESCO and Niti Aayog further highlight the urgent need to strengthen the digital education in rural India. So to conclude, we are not just creating another learning app, but a complete ecosystem. Offline first, multilingual, affordable, and sustainable with solar support and community involvement. It empowers students, trains teachers, and bridges the digital divide. With this, we aim to make quality and education accessible, inclusive, and future ready for rural India. Thank you.